3 plus 3 equal 18, 4 plus 4 equal 24, 5 plus 5 equal 30, then 7 plus 7 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you have found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell. Here on the channel, we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look. 3 plus 3 is basically 6. And how can we reach at 18? By multiplying 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Now check. 4 plus 4 is 8. And again if we multiply 3, we get 24. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 times 3 is 30. So that logic fits. What you have to do, just add the number and multiply by 3. So 7 plus 7 is 14 and 14 times 3 is 52. So what replaces the question mark? 42.